We live in a fast-paced world that's constantly demanding more and more of our time, which is why I'm going to show you how to save time doing what you're already doing by using keyboard shortcuts. It's not only going to help you be more efficient, multitask in a faster way, but it's also going to be healthier for you. Did you know that extensive mouse usage can lead to injury more often than keyboard usage? Well, by using keyboard shortcuts, your wrists are going to thank you. But again, you're going to be surprised how you can do what you're already doing in a faster, easier way. I'm Jorge Ledesma with the EdTech Directors. This is Tech Tip Tuesday, where I'm going to share a quick tip that's going to help make your life just a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and get started. The first shortcut I'm going to share with you is a PowerPoint shortcut. As educators, we've all been there when we're up in the front of the class presenting and students aren't paying attention to you, they're paying attention to the PowerPoint slide, scrambling to write down everything on it. Now, a quick fix for that is to use the B key on your keyboard. If you push that, the screen will black out. You push it again, you'll go right back. If you use the W key on your keyboard, the screen will white out. You push it again, you'll go right back. This is a great way to break up your presentations and capture the attention of your students. The next shortcut I'm going to teach you is a Windows shortcut. Here I am working in my OneNote as well as a Word document. So if I wanted to put these side by side using the keyboard, it's super easy. Just hold down the Windows key and use the left or right arrow on your keyboard. Here I use the right arrow plus a window key, put it to the right. And then when you let go of the keys, the rest of the windows will line up and allow you to choose which window you want to put side to side. So in this case, I'm going to choose my Word document that I have open, and now they're perfectly aligned here side to side. Alternatively, you can use the Windows key plus the up key to maximize a window, or use the down arrow instead to restore a window, or use a down arrow again to completely minimize a window. Now the next shortcut I actually featured in another video, but I think it's worth repeating. I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot with a single key instead of using 3 keys as suggested by the Snip and Sketch tool here. To begin, go to the search box below and type in print screen. Then you'll get an option that says use print screen key to launch screen clipping. Click on that. And then scroll down to where it says print screen shortcut and turn that on. So now when you push the button on your keyboard that says print screen, which is found on your desktop and your tablet, the Snip and Sketch tool will automatically launch, allowing you to make a screenshot of whatever you'd like. Now the next shortcut allows you to access something on your desktop in an instant. Say you've got a bunch of applications open and you need to get to something on your desktop, just hold down the Windows key and the D key and your desktop magically appears. Hold it down again and everything returns. For the last and final part of this video, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Teams, but rather than share with you a single shortcut, I'm going to share all of them with you. If you open up Teams and hold the control button and the period button, you will bring up the entire shortcut menu. Here you can look and see what actions you perform daily and often enough that you would benefit using a shortcut for. So that's it for today's tech tip. I hope you found these shortcuts useful and you tried them out. Let me know how it goes. At any time you need any help or assistance, please feel free to reach out. Now this is going to be the first of many keyboard shortcut videos, so keep an eye out for part 2 and beyond. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next week.